Kani kadai kadudashan Meghalaya bangi priang sopai pi baro sya kani kathuk khubor mentaga janmit shwaban phashi khubor ki babnia ngani pechwa yakimat bukongsan Wan yuk chat usambut Presiden Kari Hanong Ba Shillong na kabenta arsi lenter Bu usambut Presiden Ujakdip Dhangkar ya umau nongrem jangka Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub bat pre patba ya ka CM Business Catalyst. Leidek burom umentri rangba gejala ukonrat ki sangma rengkat bat ki para kelas ceng'u ya brother Eric De Souza ubalaklat no Hussein Edmonds. Kentu umentri ketenat kuliah putih ya kino hikai SSA bandit pai no syaragi kam kiduk cengki. Bat penbena ke Election Commission Kari India ban penlong ya katarik election siteng samoy hakam begre haka khatlai tarik unai wieng arajar arposau traikam ka Model Code of Conduct West Karo Hills District. Ki khubor ki babnia usambut Presiden Jangkari Ujakdip Dhangkar hakapor siteng sngi mentaka sngi ulawan poi Hanong Ba Shillong na kabenta ar sngi lenter hakaba lapdiang buram yu umentri rang ba gejala ukonra kia sangma rengkat bat kidkhot kenhun mentri I Dr. Amprin Lingdo bat MP kador bar Rajya Sabha u Dr. WR Khaluki kilapdiang snobhai usambut Presiden Jangkari Ujakdip Dhangkar hakasian wan kabeningkong jong u shajala Meghalaya u Dhangkar ubadang wan ningkong shakani gejala ulahir Dau ha EAC helipad ha opashilong. Usambut Presiden Kari India Ujakdip Dhangkar ha kasngi balang ulabu ya umau nongrim na kabenta ka Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub bat ula pelaj patba ya ka CM Business Catalyst Student B Plan Challenge harangkat ka jinga trailang bat ka IIM Shillong. Ula sakhiru ya gajinga soy ya ka dorkas jo gajinga sngotu jingmut lang lani ka MOU hapdeng ka UNDP bat ka sarkar Meghalaya ban kentiu ya ki kam sengkam lajong hab ai jingkren usambut Presiden ula penpau ya jinglong bakongsan ban ple ya umau nongrem na kabenta ka Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub da ka baong bakani ka dei ka sienjam ban wanra jingkala ka ban penmentoy shibun ikisamla ka ban shakriru ya jingdan kam jongki ulat ka jela Meghalaya UCH Vijay Shankar lakren halor kilat ki babun jaga cela hakabaya dei bat ki kam jingok kai perthai bat ki wei umentri rang ba gejala ukonrat ki sangma lakren shai halor karoi kapar jong kecela
is a significant contributor to India's unity, economic progress, cultural assets, and it is because of this policy of the present government that when I attended ASEAN for the first time as Vice President, there was a keen interest in several countries of that region. I was 25. When I talked about the impact we are having, I can tell you, things are right in right frame, in right mood. But some of us, out of ignorance, out of being ill-informed, do not appreciate what a nation is. A nation is not divisible as to who has how many roads, how many dams, how many airports. We are one whole. This is our identity. It's an identity that has survived in spite of the nation having been assaulted from outside on a number of occasions in last several hundred years.
Menteri Rangba Gejala Konrad K. Sangma mentakasngi ringkat bat ki para kelas jong ki banapo School St. Edmunds kilakan mau buram ya brother Eric Steve de Souza balaklat no la ban pen kan mau hangni ba brother de Souza badai nong hikai barim jaka School St. Edmunds laklat no hakasngi ublay Hashanti Niwas kabadai ka yeng karpang na kabenta ki reuniam balasyong thaj kabadan Hajala Goa. Hadian baka cingpang Parkinson kalabat ya lakumba katu kanisnam. Katba kinong hikai SSA kidang yai beteng ban mi surok bandawa pen kiu tulop yaki ka sorkar Meghalaya kala krensyai bakam la ban pen urlong no menta yaki cingdawa jongki hakaba kala pen tip ru yaki ba katanat kala pen kre yaki rukom trekam ban pen bet yakani kecing Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi urakam sangma hakasngi baar ulayathu hakinong pathai khubor bakimla banyakendu ikinong hikai kibala pen long jing yaki namar kidang buan kam hakikam ai jingarap syarirum karo kabala sakhi dangshen ya kecing waning shop kibuan mariang da kabaong ba kecing dawa kinong hikai kalong kabadai ulakan turu yaki baken let pai biang no shalaki jong ki kamera kelas.
Sitting on the street, sitting in the playground for these days, but I also, on the other way around, I also feel, what about the students they're supposed to teach them also? Then sometimes I feel, of course, all this week was the vacation time. Of course, it is good, but now as the school has been open, I would request them or my teachers just to go back to the schools, think about their children also, right? Think about the children also. So their children may be waiting in the schools. I don't know. So therefore, government is exploring the way.
Hadian balayo bakaseng VPP kalapen kre ban penya laki jong kitab niang syarilum garu Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi ubadeiru nongyalam kaseng NPP urakam sangma ulakubur bakacing wan rung kaseng VPP syarilum garu kan bu cing bha nakabenta kaseng NPP habakren syakinong pathai kubor usangma ulaong bakam long kababha ban syuset kut yaladi tang hakawe katha lani kajat benriu hakaba ula benrap ru bakaseng VPP kelas ngautu ikicing internet na jing bhabriu jangga jela Meghalaya ula kubur ru ba kajing wanrung jangga seng VPP syarilum garo kan sabu jing shibun na kabenta kaseng NPP namar bun ngut kinong yalam kaseng Kongres bat TMC kila dep yakren ban yasno no bat kaseng VPP.
The momentum the web have created in the last industry has really maybe keep them energized, ignited, and it is good only. But they're expanding their wings to the government. Yes, of course, we know as a political party will be challenged for us, NPP also, that we know, because I've come to know many of the Congress leaders, TMC leaders is also in talks to join from Garu's side in the BPP. I heard so many leaders. So maybe, of course, if they really work well, will be really challenge for us too also, that we also understand. But we will decide tomorrow.
Hadian kecing syak kan thok jur halor kecing pendan kam ya kekerteng bat kadur jong Menteri Rangba Gejala Konrad K. Sangma ha kakot puli CM Impact Guidebook. Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi urakam sangma ulaong ikitu kibam sngaw sarong ya Menteri Rangba jongki kentap no ya kadur jong Konrad Sangma bat ban puli betek tang ya kicing thok jong ka guidebook. Da kabakan tu kibriu kiba persya ya kadur jong Konrad Sangma bat ya kicing pendan kam ya kekerteng Menteri Rangba ban penkela ya kesan perkhat jongki Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi ula ai jingmut bakin senge ban pet ya kakot sop pen ban kidai ban puli ya kicing tho hapo kani kakon.
Look, this is the mindset of our people. We should change this. This textbook is not to read, not to talk about the cover. They should stop looking at the cover. We have designed this textbook, this document, to read the inside, the contents. So I would advise them, those who don't want to take pride in your chief minister, those opposition leaders, those people who don't want to see your honorable chief minister, get a brown paper and cover it. But please don't cover the contents.
Kading kabashir kay kalaklang hayaw tura, hakapor step perngap mentakasngi, hakaba kanyo tali kibasa kila ing kong kait. kan thubru ya kedukan de dawai ki basa bam basa de cuti bat kiwe kani ke jingja kalaja hakapor kemba arbajemen step hajan ka council building ke barim mar persha bat ka zj habdeng ka KHASI market kompleks bat ka tura supermarket haduk menta 4 lak bentip ya kadau tenrai jong kani ke jing peluk ding bat ke jing wat jing tip halor kani kadang ya chakman Chief Election Officer Kajala Meghalaya, Dr. BDR Tiwari, Henin Kasngi haba ajing kren Shakilat Pathai Kubor, Ulayathu ba ka Election Commission Jengkari India, kalapen pena ya katarik ban penlong ya ka Election Shiteng Samoy ha Kambegri. Katarik penlong Election Shiteng Samoy, kanlong ha ka khatlai tarik unai wieng arajar arposau, bat ka jingnya wood kanlong ha ka arpolai tarik unai wieng arajar arposau. Utiwari ulapentip ba ka Model Code of Conduct kalate tarik habaro kawe ke West Karo Hills District nadu henen kasngi hadian baladat penbena ya katarik tabwood
list as follows. Date of issue of gazette notification is 18th October 2024 on Friday. Last date of making nomination will be on 25th October 2024 on Friday. Date for scrutiny of nomination is 28th October, Monday, and last date for withdrawal of candidature is 30th October 2024. The poll will held on 13th November 2024 on Wednesday. Date of counting of votes will be on the 23rd November 2024.
Kinong rap kathain Riwar Sepni South West KHASI Hills District kila penpau ya kecing sngo benyau hakabaya day bat kakamai kecik jengki namar ba kador jengki marep ki bakenthop ya usensar ula terpat ukwai utempo bat kiwe kidang yai beteng ban hiardor shushu halor kani kecing hiardor jengki marep balapen mi na katai kathain kinong rap jengkasnong manat mau bidong penden lingdo lo mau ba bat penden solang kila penpau ki jing sngosi thang khamtam namar ba ki marba bakongsan kum ukhaw ka shini upiat bat kiwe kanang kiudor manakasni kumta kila kentujur ya ka sarkar jala lengba imentri katanat karep karyang bakan chimkhia ban weng ye kini ki jing e jongki
Idon ki senang ki bahab ban ya daki ar kenta seneng kumta rangkat bat kakit la kalong sensal ngane la kalong sulat terpat iya kiwe iru bat kador baikit kan poi seki khatsan tengka seneng bat hakabangi dipat yang sensar barang sulat terpat kan poi tang kumba khatra lani arpe tengka kumta tengis ngo bangi don hakajing dunong ka bakraw hadu kata hakabangi rep kum kinong rep ni kepat la kumno ya kasokal bakade ban khai khmat lem bani kum kinong rep jong kan kadong bakatai
Kawai ka bus night super kalakelano ha umling kabadon ha kasurok ba National Highway 6 Ribhoy District katkum katelong khubor nakibor pulit layo cingtip bakatai ka bus kalakela ha kasurok ba National Highway 6 ha klau umling kabadon ha kasurok ba nakuwahati shashilong lapin kitno yikinong let jinglet ki bala mensau Bethany Hospital bat nongpo Civil Hospital na kabenta banyo jing sumar unongnya jongkatai ka bus ula phet krat no na katai ka jaka hadian katai ke jingjia haswa bagi bor pulit ken poi Meghalaya Cricket Association kalapen bena balaciet ya uba ar kharkamni ubadei usembut President Jakaseng kum BCCI Match Observer na kabenta ke jingale kai test kabalai hapdeng ke India bat New Zealand ha Mumbai kaban sedang hakashi tarik unai wieng nalor kabenta kaba udan hakaseng uba kharkamni ulalongru President jengka Ribhoy District Cricket Association udeiru uratba balano senyang shikat dei ban ketiu ya ke jingale kai cricket habarok kawe ke district bat ke jela lakatu kat ni senem menta kum Match Observer uba kharkam ni unkit kli ban pen kre ya ki kai pot halor ki benta ba pher jong ka jing le kai kan thop ya ka chakai le kai ki umpire bat ki nong le kai mentapat ngin pej ye kejing long jingman kasun beneng hanong ba shilong kejing shit kalong arpoa degree celsius bat kejing kriat kalong khat sao point sao degree celsius kejing sngam ka hau kalong hinyo phra na kashispa ha kapor men step bat prapo na kashispa ha kapor janmin kala bandon kejing hap slap ka ba malumala hakikat tu ka ni kijaka Shwaban poi shakabakut jangka thuk khubor ngin ye pej biang sashisien yakimat bakongsan Wan yuk chat usambut Presiden Kari Hanong Ba Shillong na kabenta arsni lenter. Bu usambut Presiden ujak di Bhankar ya umau nongrim jang ka Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub bat pli pajba ya ka CM Business Catalyst. Lek burom umentri rang bak gejala ukonrat sangma rengkat bat ki para kelas jeng ya brother Eric de Sousa ublah klat no Haskul St Edmunds. Kentu umentri ketenat puli puti ya kinohikai SSA banit pai no shalaki jong ki kam hiduk jongki. Penbenak Election Commission Kari India ban penlong ya katarik election siteng samoy hakam berkri haka khatlai tarik unai wieng arajar arkosau trekam ka model code of conduct ha West Karo Hills District te paralok katu ngilapoi shakabukut jangka thuk khubor jingi mentaga janmiet hadu bangin daya syembiang bat phi la shai kasngi khublai phi baro
हमारे केंद्र सरकार के जितने भी एम्प्लॉइज हैं